Linking Google Scholar to your institution's library. Do you ever use Google Scholar to search for articles for your assignments? Have you ever found what you think would be the perfect article only to hit a paywall and not be able to access the full text? Well, in this video, I'll show you a way to link Google Scholar to your institution's library, if it's available, to minimize paywalls. You begin by navigating to Google Scholar. The address is scholar.google.com. Select the Expand Menu button. It's the three horizontal lines, also called a hamburger button. It looks like a hamburger. From the expanded menu, select Settings. From the Settings, select Library Links. In the Library Links search box, enter the name of your institution and press Enter. I work at the University of Ottawa, so that's what I put. If your institution has a library link, it'll appear in a result list. You're going to place a check in a box next to your institution's name. I have to be careful because the University of Ottawa in Ottawa, Canada is a different institution from Ottawa University in the United States. Select Save. Now, when you search Google Scholar, if your institution has full text, there will be a library link to the right of the Google Scholar search result. So for example, Media Multitasking and Well-Being of University Students, I will select Omni at U Ottawa. And when you select the library link, you may be required to enter your library username and password. I'm accessing this from on campus, so I'm automatically entered into the system. You may still be a couple of clicks away from accessing full text. You may need to select a database from a list, or you may need to search the page for a PDF or a full text button. But before long, you should be able to access the full text PDF of the article. Now, if your institution doesn't have library links with Google Scholar, or if your library doesn't have a particular full text article that you're looking for, you may still be able to get full text from your library's interlibrary loan service. Contact your library for more information.